This 2023 Palomino Puma 38RLB is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Palomino is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front bath, front bedroom, front living area, kitchen island, mid-bunk, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Palomino Puma 38RLB is 10,240 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.